So everybody is freaking out right now over the latest mortgage headlines that's talking about this unfair tax on well-qualified mortgage borrowers. And Kiki here and I just thought we would shed some light on the situation and clear things up. So when you're applying for a mortgage, there are adjustments made to the interest rate that you get based on things like how much you're putting down, what your FICO score is, what your debt to income ratio is, things like that. These are called loan level price adjustments, and these have changed actually several times over the years. This isn't like a one-time thing, okay? So in general, people with lower FICO scores get assessed higher fees when getting a mortgage than people with higher FICO scores, okay? So better FICO score, the better rate you get. So with this new change, what they've done is they've actually just lessened the gap or the disparity in how much savings there are between those buyers with the higher FICO score and the buyer with the lower score. Okay, so they've just lessened the gap. So let's just say, for the sake of example, maybe before this change was made, a buyer with a 740 FICO score would have gotten a 1% better interest rate than that buyer with a 640 credit score. Whereas now, that difference might be only 0.75% in savings, okay? And again, those numbers are just for the sake of example. So when you think about the way that interest rates and adjustments are fluctuating all the time, we're also talking about fractions of a percent, okay? So I'm actually gonna share this chart with you. You can screenshot it or whatever you wanna do, but you can obviously see, depending on your specific situation, what your FICO score is, what your loan to value ratio is. Every situation is different, but you can clearly see for yourself that if you have a better credit score, you're still going to be saving significantly more than those buyers who have lower scores. So please don't think that it's in your best interest to go and rack up your credit card bills and stop paying them on time and ruin your credit because it'll give you a better interest rate on your mortgage. That is so not the case. So please don't do that. Okay, so if you have any questions about buying or selling, please reach out to me. I would love to help you out, and don't trust the headlines.